Hey everybody, Amy, your Mac mentor here, and today is a very exciting day because I had ordered a brand new Apple MacBook Pro M1 Max, and I got a shipping notice today that it has arrived a week early. So I got super excited, and I'd love to make this video for you to show you the unboxing and all the features that I'm super excited about and see if it's all it's cracked up to be.
All right, guys, so I'm really excited to open up my new Mac. This just arrived today, and I can't wait. So let's take a look.
So the first thing I notice is the packaging is awesome. I didn't have to use my little knife, and I was able to just tear that tab off and it opens right up. That's a totally new type of packaging. And there you have it. This is the new MacBook Pro M1 Max. And there's the easy little tab to pull off, so I didn't need that knife at all. It's so nice. Apple has the best packaging. And let's do the big reveal. Nice. Wow, so this is a totally different shape. Look how it says MacBook Pro right on the bottom. Totally different shape. The feet are bigger and flatter. Totally new design. Look at the body style. And all those ports. So what I'm really excited about is the Magsafe 3, the return of the Magsafe port. This was a selling point for me. You've got your extra USB-C ports, your audio line in, your SD card slot, and then of course an HDMI port, which is nice to have. But it just feels very substantial. Really nice. And let's take a look at the Magsafe cable. It's one of those cool nylon cables, and it's actually MagSafe on one end and USB-C on the other. So this packaging was a little more difficult to get into. So the MagSafe 3 is just a little bit different shape and size from the previous version. But I like this. And it comes with your USB-C adapter that you can plug right in. Let's see what else we get with it. So we have a little brochure telling us all about it. Ooh, check this out, Black Apple stickers. Yeah. And I was looking for one of those fancy cleaning cloths that you can buy for $19, but it doesn't look like they are including that with the $3,000 MacBook Pro, sorry, but that's okay because I got MagSafe. I also wanted to compare this to my old 13-inch MacBook Pro. So the new one is a 14-inch, but as you can see, the size is very similar. If you look at the tech specs, you'll see the size is just barely different, but it's very similar, the 13-inch to the 14-inch. And you'll notice that somehow they got an extra inch on the display size. The illuminated apple is no longer, so we still have the solid apple on this new design, but that's okay. All right, so it just turned right on there for us. And the first thing I notice is the keyboard is black all the way through. So the background kind of matches the keys. Looks like it's almost like one piece. It's really interesting. And this intro screen is a little different too. It's kind of cool. And then I noticed the function rows are back, no more touch bar. And the Touch ID button looks a little different from how it looks on the MacBook Air. It's like a rectangle with a circle inside, so you can kind of feel where the fingerprint goes. It feels really nice. These keys feel great. The trackpad looks a little different. But there you go. Now, the one thing I've heard people complain about is this notch here at the top. It reminds me of when I first got my iPhone 10, how the new design had that notch on the top for the Face ID, but I got used to it on the iPhone. I'm not sure how this is going to impact my work. It seems like the menu bar would be across the top there, so maybe it won't be a problem. We'll just have to wait and see. So there you have it. See you next time. So yeah, my mic dropped my audio during the unboxing. So hopefully you were able to get as much out of it with the dub over, but you did get to see my first impressions there. And I will be making some more videos as soon as I get it up and running and see how well it performs with everything on it. So I'll check back with you then. Thanks for watching.